This is a case of technology meeting Orthodox Judaism's requirements. I'm Leonard Finn, Sheila Finn, my wife. We've been married 50 years. 57 years. 57 happy years. We live in Hendon, and I'm a chartered accountant, and I have problems with walking and certainly going up and down stairs. The lift has been a godsend, and we're very happy with it.
It's been since
it's 6 months.
Just before Christmas, I think it was in. And as Leonard just said, it's made a tremendous difference. I don't use it as frequently as he does, but even when I use it, it's very useful indeed.
I was looking specifically for a lift which would be acceptable to us as Orthodox Jews, one which we could use on the Sabbath, because the normal lift we can't use on a Sabbath because we have to press buttons and things which are forbidden. So we came across Wessex, who went out of the way to try to find a bespoke kind of lift which we could use on the Sabbath, which has received rabbinical approval. We've shown the details which you gave us about the lift to our rabbi. He's been through it with a tooth comb to see that it complies with our tradition. We can't make electricity, we can't put on lights. That's the simplest one. We have a time switch which brings on the lights automatically on Friday evening and it goes off Saturday night. So we need a lift similarly which will come on automatically before the Sabbath, and we don't have to press any buttons, and it's as simple as that.
We did go into the possibility of a stair lift, but that was frowned upon. A, I don't like them, and B, there wasn't going to help us in any way whatsoever. Whereas your lift was going to be a great advantage to us. The stair lifts won't.
This increases the value of the house. Stair lift perhaps decreases it. As an accountant, I speak. What's very nice is that the home, that's the expression of the lift, is on the first floor. Consequently, when one comes into the house, one doesn't really see the lift. Many people have asked my wife, where is the lift? And that's marvellous. The lift hasn't impinged in any way upon the area of the hall, and that's marvellous. Whereas a normal lift with a lift shaft will take up most of the hall.
As this is a party wall here, this is a semi-detached house, I was very concerned that the neighbours would be disturbed by noise, but on the whole they don't hear anything at all, which is a great advantage, as it is you've got to live with neighbours and they're satisfied, so that's okay.
From the time that the lift was being installed, we were delighted with each person, whether it's the builder who made the hole in the ceiling, whether it's the engineer who put the lift together, whether it's the
and
person...
Julian who did the time switch,
yeah.
Who is one of the main attractions. We were very, very taken with Wessex as a whole.
And it's very important. Not only happy with the Wessex, but delighted with them. And to be able to say, I very rarely say that about anybody connected with building, but Wessex, anybody who's looking at this video who would like to have a firm which is reliable, polite, efficient, etc., they should go to Wessex.